and you are a person who should not be around your grandchildren or your children because you don't have control of your addictions.
Welcome to the Court of Justice.
Court is calling 2018 CR 10107, State of Texas versus Priscilla Amaya. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Lorraine Eastern for Miss Amaya.
And are you Miss Amaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Are you the same Priscilla Amaya who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2018 CR 10107 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on June 28, 2019 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Priscilla Amaya, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November, December 2021 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
We'll waive the remaining violating conditions, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility, and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes, for adjudicate guilt, revoke the provision, and sentence the individual to 11 months in the state jail facility.
No objection, Judge. That's our agreement.
All right, Ms. Amaya, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what went wrong with you?
To be honest with you, Your Honor, well, I relapsed and I didn't want to report. I thought working was good enough, but I didn't have my family intact, my kids all together. They were disappointed in me, so they stopped talking to me. But now
Sorry, can you speak up?
now I have my kids back in my life and I have my first grandbaby, so I see things different. I know I do need help, and I'm willing to take that help as an outpatient when I get out of Bexar County Jail.
Here's the thing. If you want to remain on deferred adjudication, I will let you remain on deferred adjudication. But you're going into inpatient treatment, or either you're going to felony drug court. Now, you say, oh, I want to do my time. I will get out and I will take care of things and I will be clean and sober. 9 times out of 10, that's not going to happen. You know why? Because you are looking at 2 years in the state jail facility and you couldn't do it. And you are a person who should not be around your grandchildren or your children because you don't have control of your addictions. You're using opiates. You need help. So if you want, here are your 2 choices. State and defense, they came up with their agreement. Here's your choice. 1, you can be referred to felony drug court. If felony drug court accepts you, great. If they don't, you go into inpatient treatment. Or you can go to the state jail facility for 18 months. Either way, your life, the time is going to pass. Either it's going to pass with you bettering yourself by taking care of your drug addictions, or either it's going to pass with you marking days off the calendar, just doing your time at the state jail facility. So, which do you prefer? 18 months at the state jail facility, or perhaps getting treatment for your drug addiction, being the type of grandmother that your grandchildren can be proud of and that your children can be proud of? It's completely up to you.
Yes. May we have a minute, Your Honor?
Yes. Maya, are you still discussing? We're ready, Your Honor. All right. So we're back on the record. In 2018 CR 10107, State of Texas versus Priscilla Amaya. So, Ms. Amaya, have you had a chance to discuss things with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
So which do you prefer?
Your Honor, we're going to take the state jail time, but we are requesting that the court, if the court has the ability to refer or recommend her to a therapeutic community there for drug treatment, we are requesting that.
All right. Then the court.
I think that will allow her to get some credit for her time at state jail.
All right. Is she waiving her right to appeal then or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then the court will find you guilty. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Therapeutic community will not increase the amount of time that you're in custody, but I do not have the authority to have them place you in there. The only thing I can do is request and recommend it, but you're also going to have to ask for it. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement,
Well, not
Well,
actually.
she's waived her right to appeal.
Okay, that's right.
Yes.
You're right.
Thank you. And you've waived your right to appeal. You do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm 40.
All right, you're 40. You still have a lot of your life in front of you, and you need to make a decision. And I know staying clean and sober is hard. And this is from somebody who's never done drugs, but I understand it's hard based upon my experience in different treatment courts and based upon the fact that I'm having a struggle giving up ice cream. And ice cream is not even as addicting as the drugs that you're taking. But if you don't stop, one or two things are going to happen. Either you're going to continue going in and out of the prison, or either you may end up with a bad batch and you may end up overdosing. And I don't think you want your children or your grandchildren to read about you in the news where it's bodies found on whatever street it is. And then they finally identify it and it's you. You understand? But you're going to have to work for it. And when you get out, there are plenty of places that have free treatment for you. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Court is calling 2024 CR 2208. State of Texas versus Amoya Lewis. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason, go ahead.
Defense.
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Ms. Lewis.
And are you Miss Lewis?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you pronounce your first name?
Amoya.
Oh, okay. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Lewis, I'm showing you what's entitled application. Okay, sure. Just give us 1 second.
Okay.
It's nice to know it's not only my software that gets glitchy.
All right, no problem. Showing you what is entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your
Does Miss Lewis have priors?
Honor. Your Honor, not that I'm aware of.
Do you have any prior convictions?
No, ma'am.
Is this your first case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Could I have attorney's approach?
Thank you, Judge.
This was trespass. In 2018, was on probation for training the trespass. And the Tony's Heights on the trespass again. And then again in 2022.
All right. All right, no problem. You're welcome. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? It's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any, just one second. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
We have discussed possible defenses. Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, yes, Judge.
Ms. Lewis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and a referral to felony drug court. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all the attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, state, you may continue to confer. Showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And
Yes.
did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, we would ask so, Judge, so that the TAP evaluation can commence as soon as practical.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Lewis presents herself here. She's been a pleasure to work with, and once we went over the facts of the case and her options, she accepted the responsibility and wishes to seek assistance so she can start putting this behind her.
All right, Ms. Lewis, do you have any support system?
Yes, ma'am.
Who would that be?
My godmother.
Okay, and where are your mom, your dad?
Currently in California.
Okay, so how did you end up in San Antonio?
My mom brought me here and just to finish high school.
Okay, and who did she bring you here to finish high school with?
Just herself.
Okay, why?
She had just exited the military
Mhm.
and wanted to find a place to station, and she was choosing here.
All right, and when's the last time you had contact with your mom?
About sometime last month.
Okay. And have you ever had a mental health diagnosis for anything?
Yes.
What for?
Bipolar disorder.
Anything else?
And psychosis.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No.
How old are you?
27.
How far did you go in school?
High school.
Okay. You graduated?
Yeah.
And have you ever had any employment since high school?
Yeah.
Doing what?
Working at a chicken processing unit.
Okay. All right. So how often, well, when did you start using drugs?
Just recently, sometime last month.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That would be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication. A referral to felony drug court while in custody. Because it's Monday, they should be able to get to you this week. And even though, Michael, if you could move out of the line of sight of probation. And even though they may be full, they're about to have a graduation, so there may be some openings, okay?
Okay.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, field visits, 1 time per month until in treatment. TAP evaluation in custody. MIC evaluation out of custody. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. A referral to Center for Healthcare Services. If she's in felony drug court, they'll take care of that. Probation, I'm sorry, in 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Probation, is there anything, y'all need to get out of the line of sight of probation. All right, probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did
Yes.
you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So both defense counsel and the state have told me that you've had some criminal trespass issues in the past.
Uh-huh.
If you are homeless, let probation know, because they'll be able to give you some resources that can find a place for you to stay. But you cannot be picking up criminal trespasses. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. In this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, pick up the phone, call your probation officer. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to this court, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
Judge Stephanie Boyd didn't come to this courtroom to rubber stamp plea deals. She came to change lives, whether the defendant was ready or not. Priscilla Amaya stood before her, a grandmother who had just admitted to relapsing on opiates and skipping probation reports. She thought she had a deal: plead true, serve 11 months in state jail, and disappear into the system. But Judge Boyd saw something deeper. A woman losing control, drifting away from her children and grandchildren, caught in a cycle that would only end in prison or death. You are a person who should not be around your grandchildren, the judge said bluntly, because you don't have control of your addictions. She shattered the original agreement and gave Amaya a raw, unfiltered choice. enter felony drug court or inpatient treatment, or face 18 months in state jail. After a tense moment with her attorney, Amaya chose the jail time. But even then, Judge Boyd didn't walk away. She added a recommendation for a therapeutic community within the facility, ensuring that punishment came with a lifeline. In a closing moment of startling honesty, the judge compared her own struggle to give up ice cream to Amaya's battle with opiates, acknowledging how hard change is, but refusing to let addiction win. She warned that without real help, Amaya's future would be a revolving door of incarceration or a fatal overdose. Judge Boyd didn't just hand down a sentence. She delivered an ultimatum wrapped in mercy. Fix your life, or the system will fix it for you.